Hi, I'm Dr. Karpati, here to review TheraNail. TheraNail is something that I take. It's really for weak and brittle nails. I also like to have my patients use this when the quality of their nail is not very good. It really does help to strengthen your nail. I can attest to that. It is a biotin product. Now, I want to be sure to explain that this is a pharmaceutical biotin. That means it comes in a tablet form and it's not full of the fillers that you get when you go to a store and you just pull a jar of biotin off the shelf. So it's in its purest form. It's basically a pill a day. It does not interfere with medications or anything that you might be taking. It's a great supplement for your nails.